All right, guys, we promised you an unboxing video. Junebug and I bought 4 boxes between us, $5 on the clearance grad bag. June said, "What? This is the first time
ever. I've heard about them and went there, and they were all sold out every time I went. Never have, but T and I went down there, and I said, "Look, the mystery boxes." She said, "Go get a buggy."
We got 2 buggies because we bought more than this, but we did. This is the boxes, so we promised you guys we would do an unboxing. I don't know. June and I didn't even really discuss who's getting which box, but to be honest with you, June's probably getting them all.
It doesn't matter, really.
If anybody sees anything, if it's something you might be interested in, let us know. Let us know for sure. All right.
Let's see what we have here. The first thing, Creatology Love Mailbox for 6 and above. It's they get to make their little mailbox.
Oh, is that for Valentine's
For
Day?
Valentine's.
Oh, so they were wrong because the guy told us
He told us it was all
Christmas.
But look, it's not all Christmas. They get to make their mailbox to take to school, and the little Valentine's. It comes with a lot of instructions and everything in there.
So this next thing,
oh my goodness,
is Ashland Garden. It's called Ashland Garland.
High quality.
It actually has the nerve to have a $79.99 price
That's
tag.
high quality. I knew it, and I didn't even see it. It's high quality.
So yeah, and there's more than this in there, right?
Oh my goodness, guys! Look at this one. This has got a
huge
54 US 99. Look at this. It's a present with decorations on it. Y'all, this is nice. And guess what?
Oh, it lights up.
It lights up. It might need a battery, but it does, y'all. It lights up. Takes batteries in underneath.
Cool.
That's nice.
Good. It's a nice little tabletop decoration, right?
There you go. Ooh,
more garland, or it's
that's
a wreath. Oh, and June can decorate this wreath for sure.
That could be decorated.
This is
or
nice. Yeah, this is nice. $29.99.
This box value.
2 of them. There's another one.
What's the value?
$30 each on those.
That's 60, 55, and the mailbox
plus this 80 for the other garland.
The
I guess that's worth it, guys. 10. I don't know. You know what? Write in the description below if there's anything that you're interested in, or anything that you guys maybe picked up from these mystery boxes. I don't know. All right, box number 2 coming your way. Let's see what we got. I know it's glitter, right?
So I think that was a
good
$5 there.
That was a good $5 spent there. And you know, even for some of them, you could use it for your own personal use. You don't have to sell it.
Exactly.
Or like June
if you're a crafter,
right?
Picks up one of those wreaths and even resell it or keep it for yourself. First out the box, Mary Garland kit. It's like a banner.
Oh yeah.
That I think this is for children to make a banner.
Yeah, for them to craft. Oh yeah, but it's got a lot of stuff. 7 felt shapes, 9 puffy stickers, 5 foam stickers, yarn, cording, and an instructions sheet.
It's really nice.
Awesome. Oh, here's another Creatology thing. This is like I would do with 5 more sleeps until Santa visits.
And what I would do with this
hangs on the wall. Oops,
if you didn't want to hang it on the wall, you take the wall hanger off, take a round wreath, put it in the center, and decorate your wreath with these colors. You know, use these colors.
Nice.
That's what I would do.
All right. Here's another Creatology holiday ornament kit. Makes 8 fabric ornaments. It's got 12 felt pieces, 50 felt stickers, glitter felt stickers, foam stickers. This is a nice craft. I mean, there's a whole list of stuff that's in here. I guess here's the picture of everything that's in here. But I guess with the kids and stuff during the holidays, it's a nice thing to do with them for sure. Nice little kit. There's lots of yarn and what is that, felt and what do they call this? I forgot what they call this. I can't think of what it's called. So there's wire ribbon.
Wired. Now that's tinsel ribbon, wired ribbon, and
What the heck do they call this? I forgot what the name of that is.
this is tubing. This
Yeah.
is a tubing type felt ribbon. They got red
and green.
The red's kind of off spool. It's still
It's okay.
workable.
Hey, it's
Still
still
workable.
good. Look at this whole thing of glass ornaments.
And one to match.
Ashland. Oh, another one too. Oh, cool. All right. One's a little smaller than the other. 8 in one, 6 in the other. So you got 14 glass ornaments there. And then it looks like Baby's First Christmas 2024. They're wood, right? Kind of like you could craft with those. Looks like you could paint them. That one and this one, Christmas 2024 on those. And then, oh boy, how many of these do we have? So you could do bouquets or flowers.
There's probably 30 or 40 of those in here.
Yeah. Felt. They're like they're a nice quality.
They're poinsettias.
Poinsettias.
And berries.
Holly and berries.
Then you can add some
Pine
cones to the mix.
Right.
And there's cinnamon.
Oh, nice. Oh, there's a lot of these.
And then
Look, lots of this stuff in here, guys.
you can add glittered
pine cones.
to it.
Nice. I'm still pulling out. You could do some nice floral. You could use these on wreaths too. Let's see, what is this? Lights up. This lights up. Oh, it's a gingerbread, but it also lights up. It looks like you can paint this though.
That's a paint light.
Yeah, and then it lights up. It does have a thing for a battery and a little light in there.
A weighted tiny Christmas tree.
Yay! About the size of the Christmas tree I'm gonna have. And then this is 6 feet of garland in there. All this Ashland stuff. This stuff is flying around a little bit. All right. And then this is some wooden bells. What's that? It's like DIY stuff. Out of T's realm for sure.
Yeah, wooden bells. That paintable. Wooden bells. Package. Different sizes.
Okay, for $5, got a lot of crafting stuff here. I mean, lots of flowers, lots of things. Now, some of the beads are off of the thing, but I guess you
That
can
happens.
use these beads.
What you do with these is you spray them with the clear coat, and that keeps them
From changing color.
for falling off.
Okay.
And trust me, I've learned the hard way.
2 more boxes to go yet, June. Oh, God. All right. I should have brought a knife over. I've been cutting these boxes with a pen. I think it's the smartest thing in the world to do. All right. Let's see. Oh,
we don't need it now.
no, we use it for the next one. Looks like we have another garland in here.
Yeah. There's a ton of stuff in here.
What is that? Oh, a ribbon.
Look at that. A little boat. It looks like a bow tie, but it's sequins. A star with a grapevine. Made out of grapevine.
50 candy cane self-seal treat bags.
Treat bags. Y'all, this balls. I
Yep.
saw the Christmas balls, but I mean, box is loaded.
2 more of the Ashland 8-pack of Christmas ornaments.
These boxes have a lot of stuff for children to do crafts with. This is for children to do a holly wreath kit. Check that out, guys.
And this one is for them to do letters to Santa, to make a Santa box. And it's got a ton of stuff in it here. They can paint them. Everything's included. The felt, the paint, the glue, everything to put everything together, which is really cool. What's that, June?
Projector slides or something. I don't really know what it is. Sticker patches. Just 3D, looks like French fry sticker patches.
French fry. Yeah.
Looks like French fries.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. You got like a dinosaur with headphones on it. And yeah, that's what it is.
And more fuzzy ribbon here.
Cool.
I don't even have this type of ribbon.
Oh, here's another one. There's
It
3
looks like
rolls
for a
of that.
Santa belt or something, maybe.
Wyatt
Or
ribbon.
Santa. Yeah, it's fuzzy. And this is sparkly, thin, like almost like what do y'all call it? Pipe cleaner?
Pipe cleaners almost.
yeah.
Dig. What is that?
You knew.
Is it supposed to be a tree?
It's a Christmas tree, I think, that you paint or something.
I don't know. It's like a plastic figure. Might be a tree, I guess.
A light
A
bulb.
light bulb.
A plastic light bulb, Christmas
my God,
light that
that's
you
so
might
funny.
want to put something in or paint or something.
Oh, and then here we go with more. God, you could make a ton of stuff with all this poinsettias.
Make a huge wreath.
And yeah, this
And more glittered
Oh, here's
pine
another one of
cones.
those trees. Another ornament.
If y'all are interested in any of this,
Yes, let us know, guys.
we can make you a deal that you couldn't pass. Oh, y'all, look at these pine cones. I've never seen any like these. These are kind of heavy even.
Oh,
They're
those are
different colors.
different,
And they're real close together, the little sections. And we have a lot more of these plastic light bulbs.
yeah. Yep. Here's
They're put out by Make, which is pretty cool.
some more.
Another wreath. This is the good kind, y'all. The Ashland. It's that soft.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and all of this is like lots of, I don't know, probably at the end of the day, if we counted all these up in all the boxes between the white and the red and all
Look at
this,
that.
got lots of that.
That's a lot of stuff in this box
Yeah.
for $5.
You ain't kidding.
$5. Can you believe that?
Yeah, that was a good deal. This was the only thing that looked like it might not have had another thing, unless we missed it someplace.
But you can always figure out something to do.
Absolutely. Well, you're the crafty one, Jim, so we'll let you worry about how to fix that one up. All right, last box. Box number 4. Here we go.
Y'all
The Creatology, Snow Much Fun, Let It Snow flags. You can make those flags there.
And they have another children's nativity scene kit that they can
nice.
do. That's nice.
Here's another one. This is Holly Leaf Wreath Kit. I think we had one like that. It was similar anyway, if it wasn't the same one.
And some tulle. And let's see who's in here.
2 more boxes of these 8-piece glass ornaments by Ashland.
And 15 of the man. Santa Christmas cards.
Wow, cool.
Season greeting Christmas 15 cards.
Here is a penguin snow light up deck, and then you can decorate it. God, there's a little bit of a glare, guys. I'm sorry.
That's nice.
If you can see it.
And a small holly in a tin. Well, it's not tin. It's this little small aluminum red pot. It's really nice. And some more ribbon.
They're calling these aren't poinsettias. They're calling these bullish Gerby. They got these little things on top of here, and there's a ton of them in the box. These are cute.
Okay.
With the holly ends.
Oh, yeah, that is cute.
So you definitely, between everything in all these boxes, you can definitely put some wreaths together with this
That
stuff,
or,
that's for sure.
or even sell those
Yeah,
two
at a time.
Two crafters.
Yeah. Bunch of that there.
Here's some pine cones that are glittered red and green.
And then these are a different,
Peachy color, a rose gold.
yeah, rose gold on those.
Yes. That you don't see too much at Christmas, and it's coming into Christmas colors.
Here's another one of those. So you had two of those. I would lot those up and sell those both,
Right.
Together with
More
the flags.
felty ribbon. Wreath, a
Uh,
preformed wreath on a wire. No, I thought it was on a wire frame. Yes, it is on a wire frame. You don't usually find greenery on a wire frame. Usually it's on a modular blank.
some more of these. Tons of these.
Yeah.
Another thing, a garland.
Garland. I couldn't get it out. Oh, look at here. The little tiny pine cone.
Oh, wow. Those are the smallest with
Those are
cinnamon
itty bitty.
sticks
And
inside.
there's-
Do
yeah.
they smell like
And-
cinnamon?
ooh,
They do?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that smell.
I do too.
And then, what does that say on it?
These say, peeking, no peeking.
Oh, no peeking.
No
Okay. I was like, what
peeking.
does that say? All right, guys, that's box number 4. So that's everything in that box. So really good deal, really great stuff for Christmas.
Do y'all think we got $20 worth of
I think
stuff?
we definitely got $20 worth of stuff. What do you guys think? I mean, there was at least 2 boxes of ornaments and everything. I mean, even just the ornaments alone, if you sold the box, I don't know what they have a $10 value on it.
Guys, one thing had $54 on it.
Yeah.
That right there.
Yeah.
Which is
So-
more than what you pay for all of it.
Yeah. So again, if you guys see anything, if somebody's interested, let's say in all the garland or all the wreaths or all the flowers, all the bulbs, the
Just reach out
ornaments, just
to
let us
either
know.
one of us.
And we'll box it all up for you and get it out. But thank you guys. Thanks for watching our little trip to the craft stores
We
this
were
week.
just excited and we just run on and let you know where we were headed.
And we could go back and get some more boxes if you think we should.
Yes, they said they had some more. We could run down there tomorrow and get
Grab
some more
some
if you're
more.
interested.
If anybody
Let us
wants,
know.
let us know. All right. And we hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.